I got an unboxing here to do of the new Skar VXF12 D2 subwoofers. 46.2 pounds, shipping weight 51 pounds. And I got a L7 here, sitting here that we can compare it to. What's funny is an L7 actually costs about as much as one of these things do, so. So as you can see, there is no comparison. I don't know why anybody would buy one of these pieces of shit compared to this. It's got a 4-spoke TC Sound style basket on it. Dual layered spiders, bolted in spider ring. Nice beefy 3-inch coil. I don't know if you guys can see it from back there. I'll bring the camera up in a minute. Nice big motor, heavy motor. It's got the coil venting, pole venting. Definitely a decent sized motor. Just checking out the glue joints on it, they actually look pretty nice. Nice big wide surround, double stitched. And it's got 8-gauge push terminals. I don't have any 8-gauge laying around to show you guys, but it'll definitely fit 8-gauge in there. Has flat lead wires. Overall, pretty nice looking sub. Shitty ass L7. These things so disappointing. There's a good look at the coil. See, there's a nice glue joint up here. It's kind of hard to see, but let's see if I can flip it in the light. There's actually a collar on there to help keep the spider glued and in place. You can see the bolted in spider ring here. You can kind of see the flat tinsel lead wires there. Nice big push terminals. Yep. So, if you're one of those people considering buying an L7, do not do it. Junk. Instead, get yourself something like this. And over here I have a start of a box. It's just a random ass junk Rockford Fosgate P2 laying in there right now. This is going to be a 4th order trunk build. This will be the ported section. Still not got the holes cut. There's going to be 2 of these Skar 12s in here, face this direction. Port's going to be in this side. and that'll be the sealed chamber. Double baffle. This is birch, so nice wood, beautiful wood grain. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please stop by and Kickers.